This Spanish seafood dish is unreal.
Fresh little neck clams opening in garlic Wayne sauce. This shrimp sauce is pure Mediterranean luxury.
You cannot waste this sauce. You need bread for this. One of Spain's most luxurious seafood dishes. Subscribe for Spanish recipes.
This paella looks absolutely insane. Garlic, onion, peppers. That's the flavor bomb. Listen to that sizzle.
Now the rice absorbs all that flavors.
Now load it with seafood. And this is the best part, crispy socarrat. Would you try this?
Southern Spain makes potato salad completely differently. Spain's freshest potato salad. Tender potatoes are the key. The potatoes must stay soft and creamy. This olive oil changes everything. Subscribe for authentic Spanish recipes. Traditional Andalusian aliño.
Forget the tomato. This is a real Spanish brava.
Just oil, flour, and smoked pimentón. Simplicity is everything. The secret to this texture? The double fry. Look at that emulsion. Thick, spicy, and 100% authentic. This is how Spain snacks on a Saturday. Are you coming?
Forget everything you know about mussels.
Steam them open and keep only the best ones. Flour, egg, and crumbs. The golden trinity for the perfect crunch. Flash fry in hot olive oil until they glow. Crispy on the outside, see fresh inside. Pure heaven. This is the humble king of Spanish comfort food. Rule number 1, real hand-cut potatoes fried to a perfect golden crisp in olive oil. The oil must be hot. We need that puntilla, the crispy golden lace edge. Now for the most satisfying part. Now, let that golden lava soak into the fries and sprinkle on top few shavings of cured Spanish serrano ham. The ultimate break. Humble, simple, and spectacular. Subscribe. Stop eating dry beef. This is the Fricandó protocol. Flour and sear beef slices. Sauté onions, tomatoes, and mushrooms. Deglaze with white wine. Add broth and the almond picada. Enjoy your Fricandó.
Spain drinks soup differently. Tomatoes, pepper, olive oil, and garlic.
Then everything becomes silky smooth.
Good olive oil makes this unforgettable. Traditional Andalusian gazpacho.